Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in out in Miami Bay, just on the outskirts of Ocherios. And we're giving you an update on the China Harbor Engineering Company's project, the Roaring River development. Now we're going to go through an article about a British construction company that wants to start working in Jamaica. So the first major contractor to come to Jamaica was China Harbor Engineering Company. The highway that's behind this development on the left, the north-south highway, well, I shouldn't say the first major contractor. They weren't the first, but they are by far the most successful. China Harbor Engineering Company built the north-south highway, and they're actually doing this development. The land for this development was given to them as part payment for building the highway. But China Harbor Engineering Company has done so well in Jamaica that other contractors are coming to Jamaica. As a matter of fact, the largest contractor in the world, a Chinese contractor, is coming to Jamaica. The second largest contractor in the world, another Chinese contractor, they specialize in trains. They are actually in the process of putting together to restart the train system in Jamaica. They're working with the government, although the project hasn't officially started yet. So you have this UK company now called the Molan Group, massive company. They actually have representatives in Jamaica now, meeting with the government, looking at what projects they can work on with the government. Another English company, Legion Aviation, they do runways. They do a lot of work in Jamaica, very successful. They extended the runway at the Sangster International Airport recently. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Molan Group coming to Jamaica. And this development we're looking at, the Roaring River development, is actually the China Harbor Engineering Company is a contractor, and they also own the project. I think this is the first time an international contractor is working on their own project in Jamaica. They own all these homes and will be selling them. They're not building them for the government or another developer. So that speaks volumes about what's going on in Jamaica, and these kind of developments get the attention of these massive construction companies all over the world. Business Development Director for Construction and Infrastructure Development. Business Development Director for Construction and Infrastructure Development Company Molan Group, Adrian Wilson, expressed similar optimism based on meetings he had with Jamaican executives and government stakeholders. It sounds like there's a lot of projects that the government wants to complete in the next 4 to 5 years. So we would be delighted and excited to look at those projects with the government and see where we could establish a foothold in Jamaica, Mr. Wilson stated. He emphasized that Molan is seeking to collaborate with Jamaican firms and people. So what we hope to do is identify priority projects that the government wants to be developed. We try to bring finance. Often we will work with UK Export Finance. We will liaison with the government from early concept right through pre-feasibility, feasibility, design, and construction. We do everything from airports to highways, the Business Development Director pointed out. So that's the end of the update article. So this company sounds a lot like China Harbor Engineering Company, or I should say they're using the same model that China Harbor Engineering Company uses in Jamaica when they are working with the government on these projects. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.